Good evening, everyone. It's 9:12. Welcome back to the channel, and we are going to continue our tutorial on building a cat photo application using HTML, responsive web design. So in our last video, we learned how to use the H1 elements, H2 elements, how the anchor elements has an attribute, which is the href attributes, and how we can also use the target attribute, and which leads the link to a blank page. We also learned that the main element helps with SEO optimization, which is search engine optimization, which helps users locate our websites on the internet, and also the section elements too, we plays the same role as the main element in search engine optimization. So we finished step 20. Today we're going to continue step 21. So let's begin. So step 21, when we add a lower rank heading element to the page, it's implied that you're starting a new subsection. After our last h2 element of the second section element, we're going to add a h3 element with the text things catalog. Right, so 3 was it. Add this text. Sorry. That's low. Alright, we're good. Check it. We're good. Now, going to the next challenge now. So for the next challenge is that we're going to create an ordered list of items which we can use the unordered list elements. So after the h3 elements, we're gonna after the h3 elements with the text things catalog, we're gonna add an unordered list element. We should note that nothing will be displayed at this point. So once we add this unordered list of elements, nothing is going to be displayed at this point. So we're just going to add an unordered element right now with nothing inside that list. So let's do that. Closing tab. Nothing is inside. Check it. Good. Going to the next challenge. Right. So now for step 23, the list elements is used to create a list of items in an ordered or unordered list. So this is an example of the list of items that are in an unordered list. So in this example, I had an unordered list element with two listed elements, which is milk and cheese. So within the unordered list element, we're going to nest three items that's going to display three things that cats love, which is catnip, laser pointers, and lasagna. We're going to use the list elements list li open close li close. I'll just copy this, see, paste it, paste it, and just shortcuts. There it is. So we're going to write catnip for the first list, catnip, and oh my god, the inside wasn't broken. I'll cut it and I'll paste it here. So you can see now we're going to the second element, which is laser pointers. last list element lasagna. Check it. Good. It's good. Going to next step. So you can see the web page on ordered list elements always have bullet points. If you're using an ordered list element, it will have numbers. So we're going to see that right now on the website we just built. So let's check it out. So as you can see, this is our unordered list. Things catalogs, which is catnip, laser pointers, and lasagna. These are all unordered. As you can see, they are under bullet points. They are numbers. That's what makes it unordered. If they were ordered, we're going to see numbers, which is 1, 2, and 3. So going to the next step. Alright, so next step is after the unordered list, we're going to add a new image with a source attribute value set to this particular link, and then what attribute is going to be a slice of lasagna on the plate. Alright. Let's add that right now. Image attributes. Sorry, let's call up some things. First, I'm gonna set it to this link. Paste it, and an alternative. Copy this text. Then paste it. Check it. It looks good, and we're going to submit it. Next step, step 25. The figure element represents self-contained content, and it allows us to associate an image with a caption. We're going to nest this image that we just added within a figure element. Alright. Nest it. Right. Commit. Good. Figure caption, which is also known as fake caption element, is used to add a caption to describe the image contained within the figure element. Here is an example of a fake caption element with a caption of a cue card. So we have our figure element nested. We have our image nested within a figure element, and source is image.jpg. The alt is this text, description of an image, and a fake caption, which is used to add a caption to describe the image that is contained within that figure element, is having the text a cue card. So instruction for this step is after the image that is nested in the figure element, we're going to add a fake caption element with the text set to at below lasagna. Right. A caption. Closing brackets. Okay. Good. As Wolf Lasagna. Right. Add the full stop to make it complete. Alright, that's good. So now next step. Was mistake. Close the brackets. Run it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just EM. Last only love. Try it. And it's good. Good. On to the next step, which is step 28. So after our figure element, we're going to add another issue element to the text. Tell three things cats hates. So we're going to do that now. Top three things things cats hate. Open bar, submit it. Alright. Yeah, it's good. Submit. Alright. So I get into step 30, and I would really appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up and like it, and also comment on how the video is going. Thank you. So I'm going to continue step 29 now. So step 29, the code for an ordered list OL is similar to an ordered list, but these list items in an ordered list are numbered when displayed. Below this our history element, we're going to add an ordered list with 3 list items, which is fleet treatment, thunder, and other cards. So we're going to do that right now. Let's check it. We'll create an ordered list. Sorry, no, okay. With okay, we created that ordered list, ordered elements. So below the history, add an ordered list with these 3 elements. We're going to add list of items. This save time. Fuck. Good. So right, flee treatment. Second one is thunder. And next is other cards. As you can see, things cards love on ordered lists, bullet points, and things cards hit ordered 1, 2, and 3. We're going to the next step. Okay. Next step. Sorry, yeah. So in step 30 round. So after the order this, we're gonna add another figure element. Gonna do that. Figure. Close it. We've added our figure elements. Good. Next step. Inside the figure element we just added, we're gonna nest an image element with a source attribute set to this particular link. Okay. Sorry. Copy this link and paste it there. Check. Okay. 3, 4, 5 cards. Okay. Good. Now, step 32. To improve accessibility of the image we just added, we're going to add an alt attribute with the text 5 cards looking around a field. Right? Alt 5 cards looking for food. Looking around the field. Sorry. Nice. Step 33. After the last image element, we're going to add a fake caption element with the text cats hit other cats. Okay. I kind of forgot what this fake caption figure element actually does. I think I need to check it again. Try copy this. Let's find out what fake caption actually does. Fake caption element. The fake caption element in HTML is used to provide a caption or legend for a figure element. It essentially acts as a description or a title for the content within the figure, which can be image, illustration. Okay, it just provides a caption for the content within that figure. Okay, okay, makes sense, right? All right, step 34. Excuse. The strong element is used to indicate that some text is of strong importance or urgent. So in the fake caption we just added, we're going to indicate that Kate is of strong importance by wrapping it with a strong element. Okay, we'll do that. So we'll just wrap this with a strong element. Close it. Let's check it. So it looks. Oh yeah, this is it. That's it. Other cards. Yeah, looks good. Submit. Next. So now it's going to be time to add a new section to our website. So we're gonna add a new section. That's the third section element below the second section. So this section is complete, right? We have our H2, we have our H3, we have our unordered list, we have our unordered list, we have our figure elements, right, with the cards, and we have the ordered list of the three things cards hit, another figure of. Alright, so now we're going to create another section right now. You can see. Close this record. Close it. Alright, I'm about to go to the next section right now. Alright, so we're going to create a H2 header. So inside this third section element, we're going to add an H2 element with a text called card form. Okay, so H2. Right. Sorry, excuse my typing. Okay, and form. That looks good. I need to zoom out so I will see everything clearly. Submit. Alright, step 37. Now you'll add a web form to collect information from users. A form element is used to get information from a user like their names, emails, and other details. So after this card form heading, we're going to create a form element. Alright, form. Nice. What's the next challenge? Now, step 38. The action attribute indicates where the form data is going to be sent. Here's an example of a form element with an action attribute. So this form element has an action attribute, which is it's going to submit to this particular URL. So in the example, the action attribute has the submit URL. It tells the browser that the form data should be sent to that particular path. Alright, so we're going to add an action attribute with this value of this particular link URL to the form element. So we're going to do that right now. Action. Open it up. Copy the link. Paste it. Run it. Looks good. Submit. The input element allows you several ways to collect data from a web form, like image elements, input elements, avoid elements, and do not need closing tags. So I'm going to nest an input element within the form, right? Inputs. Put in the inputs. Shove an opening tag, one way closing tag. Okay. So it doesn't have input elements work without closing tags. Close it. Go next. Next. Alright. Last step. What's the thing? So step 14. There are many kinds of inputs you can create using the type attribute. You can easily create a password field, a reset button, or a control to let users select a file from their computer. To create a text field to get text input from a user by adding the type attribute with the value text to the input element. So, alright, just easy. Create our type attribute. Input. Alright. And check it. If I say it, yeah. An input element should have a type attribute with the value text. Oh, not it shouldn't be input, it should be text. Alright. Nice. That's good. So this form now we can write any text inside. It looks good. Alright. That looks good. Alright. Thank you guys for staying this long. I'm going to log off right now. So have a good night and stay safe. Thank you so much for staying through to the end of the video, and leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. It usually helps in me adding more content to the channel. Alright, thank you so much. Logging off. Bye.